asuntoskeittiö Hakantalot.
Today, it's the 2nd of November 2022. We have Perustie Grundvägen 14 steg I say, and I have to get to the steg it's bigger later. Very amazing, also built in 1956. It turned 65 years old into this year, 2021. Will be inspected in next year, 2023, and it's in press H6924. It's here in Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, Fors, Uusimaa and Finland. This has 3 rides, but first also we can check if the basement is accessible.
Yeah.
Oh, and then we can get going. Yes, perfect. 3 rides from here.
Yeah.
It was completely impossible to get inside here. But we had to, of course. But I wonder these strange, like, these plates. Still calm.
Yeah.
But this is actually, maybe they had vandalized these walls, like this.
Yeah.
There's some traces left, but this is not a very good way of covering them.
Olisiko tämä meidän paikka on?
It's kind of weird also that they put, but this is the second ride.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now third ride. Yeah.
Yeah. I was just going to say that they didn't have to write here 240 kilograms.
Yeah.
It's still on the old one here. So it's strange. But learn it for me.
Yeah.
But we don't need to do it in this thing.